Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for coming back. So today I'm doing some DIYs and I got this super easy DIY for you today. So this arrow I got from the Dollar Tree. It had stuff on one side, like mermaid stuff. I just took everything off, and I'm actually still going to use the opposite side because I didn't get everything off. And I'm using this color place paint, but I just couldn't find my acrylic paint. I had no idea what I did with it. So acrylic paint will do just fine, but this is just what I had to work with. And I'm just going to paint the entire arrow. So of course you need to let that go ahead and dry down as good as possible, but we want to make this look weathered. So I'm going to end up taking some sandpaper, which I also had from the Dollar Tree, just left over, and I'm just going to scuff it up. Now with your acrylic paint, it will probably scuff up easier than what's going for me because this is a latex paint and it's just harder. But this was what I was left with, and I was pretty happy with it after scuffing it all up. And then I had these 3 words galvanized from the Dollar Tree. I think it said welcome and thankful and something else. And I'm using this one, and I just put some glue on the back of it. I don't think I showed that on here, but it's just a little bit of glue. You can use whatever kind of glue you want. And it is down, and that is the end of this little $2 DIY from Dollar Tree. Great for a gallery wall. And this is the finished product. It's on my gallery wall, you guys, and I absolutely love it. So for the next project, you're gonna need this cutting board from the Dollar Tree. Whatever kind of paint you want. I personally think spray paint will be better than this paint that I used, but it worked. I made it work. I had some twine, and then I had these little hearts left over from another DIY project that I used from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, I think that's all I used. Oh, I used some burlap ribbon also, but I don't think I showed it. And of course, like a paintbrush. So you're just gonna paint the board whatever color you want. On my first coat, it did pretty good, but then when I tried to do a second coat, it started to peel off that coat. So I had to more stipple the paint on there, but it was fine. It actually worked out, but I say spray paint probably would still be better. And I'm going to use the little hearts, and I'm just going to put them 3 in a row. So 1 was smaller, and then 2 were bigger. So I just did the small one at the top, and they got bigger as they went down. I absolutely loved how that looked. I just thought it was so perfect and so simple. I added a burlap ribbon, and that is in my kitchen. So for the last and final project that I did, I just had so much leftover stuff from other projects. So I had these like burner covers, and I had an extra one. So I went and I used like the nickel spray paint, the nickel rub spray paint, and I went ahead and spray painted it. And then I had this left over from one of the boxes from the floating shelf I did. I will link that in the description below if you haven't seen that. But I used some Dollar Tree glue, and I think I used the Dollar Tree glue and the hot glue gun. I'm not sure, but this was so simple. I just stuck it right in the middle, guys, and it was yeah, I did use I did use some hot glue. Yeah, but I just stuck it right in the middle, and it was just super easy to just hang on the wall. I have like a little gallery wall in every part of my house because they are just so cute. I love gallery walls. And that is it for this project, guys. Like, literally, that took seconds. The longest part was letting the spray paint dry. But I was actually thinking about putting it in my bathroom, but I had enough stuff in my bathroom, so I just used it for my kitchen, and I thought it looked really cute. So for the last project, you're going to need like a drawer liner and a picture frame, any size that you want. I am doing a jewelry hanger, like really for my hanging earrings. I didn't have anything for that. So I saw this on Pinterest and I thought, what a freaking smart idea. So basically you want to cut out the shape of the frame, and you want to leave like a little bit extra. In this clip, I didn't leave very much extra, but I ended up having to go back and cut out a little extra just so that I could curve it around the edges and that it wouldn't keep sinking in every time I put some earrings on there. So here you can put a little bit of glue, hot glue, whatever, to try to make it stick, but it's it doesn't slide around. So I think it actually worked out pretty perfect. I put in the paper backwards so you didn't see the wording. I don't think I showed this, but I did put the glass, and then you go ahead and put the back cover back on there. And again, boom, it's done. It's just so easy, and you can hang it on that little hanger that you see on the back. And that is it for these DIYs, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. Don't forget to check in the description box for anything else that you want to see, any other videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.